For the sake of those that are not in class or those that can't really participate, let's do a little recap. And those that don't understand, okay, a little brush through on this. I believe with this, you'll be able to get 5 trade ideas on this particular pair. This particular pair can give you 5 trade ideas. So we're on the 1 hour. First break of structure occurred after liquidity, after equal highs. Break of structure with the up candle, second candle went up, then it's okay to see. I will explain this. After the second candle, that second candle is more important than the candle that broke out, that had the breakout rather. The second candle is more important than the candle that had the breakout. This is the first candle that had the breakout. This is the second candle. When market was retracing, did it retrace to the first or the second candle? It retraced to the second candle. Why? Because every professional forex trader knows this. The second candle is what confirms the change of structure. That's why this other block did not hold, because the second candle went up. As when the second candle went down, that other block would have held, because that's another block. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the second candle, which is more important than the first candle, when the market went up, it retraced to it. But from there, went up again. So when it went up, now we are going to the lower time frame, because we would have drawn a trend line, first trend line, second trend line, third trend line. Third trend line now, yeah. Price broke it. It picked it as a liquidity. Price picked that second trend line as a liquidity. Yeah, there was an initial trend line here, first touch, second touch, third touch. Price came, broke below, then we moved our trend line here. So this second touch, we're expecting a third touch. However, when do we jump in on the third touch? You now have to go to lower time frame. On the lower time frame, we now saw something important. That on the breakout, the first candle that broke out, second candle that broke out, this is the third candle. The third candle came down to retrace to give us a better entry. Whatever happens after it goes up again and gets it, to come back and retrace upon this second candle. Pay attention. It will retrace upon the second candle and continue its movement either to the upside or to form a double top for a sell, but it will retrace definitely. And now we want to enter. We are seeing something like a flag, a bullish flag. A bullish flag confirms a buy. A bullish flag confirms a buy. All right. A bullish flag is for the continuation pattern. I taught that on candlesticks patterns. If you have not watched it, go to David Atcham on YouTube, search candlesticks pattern. Just search David Atcham candlesticks pattern. You will see it on YouTube. And I said that there are different types of of candlestick patterns. There's continuation, there's reversal, and all of those sweet stuff, right? Oh, Father, give us insights. Give us insights. Then we're looking for where to enter. Then we said we have two options. Either we enter upon this wiki area, because whenever there is week, it's a good zone to be picking the market. So this week, either we enter upon this week, which will be in conference with the trend line, one, or we want to buy the breakouts. Because there's no other block to pick. As there was other block, I would have picked it. There's no other block, but there's wicks. So wicks on the second time frame and on the lower time frames usually have other blocks in them. Every week has another block in it, either on the 2 seconds time frame or 5 seconds time frame or 30 seconds time frame. Those ones we don't have access to because we are using free trading view. My card stopped collecting this thing trading view stopped collecting my card. That's why it stopped. It logged me out of my paid trading view, and I think I'm okay with this free stuff. If you know how to use it, you will not complain. So now I want to buy the breakout. How do you buy the breakout? I've taught you how to buy breakout. And in every market, breakout strategy is king. If you understand breakout strategy once, you have understood this for all. Follow me very well, please. We are seeing wicks here, so that further confirms where we are supposed to tap the market from if it comes down. However, if it doesn't come down, where are we going to pick? Now, this first candle, this one that is going up now is one that is breaking out of this resistance level. Look at this resistance here. There's a resistance here. This resistance. This candle now is going out to break it. Upon the breakout, if it's a forceful breakout, in a case like this, it's not retest. Second candle go up, third candle go up, and it keep going. Sorry, in a case like this, rather, this was a resistance. Market broke out forcefully. Second candle, third candle, just kept on going. It didn't reverse, and that's how we would have missed this huge buy. However, this breakout that is happening right now. Follow me, those that don't understand, though. Let me see what's on the chart again. GBP breakout, right? Yeah, GBPUSD. Those that don't understand now will follow me. However, if it breaks out, first candle, second candle moves up. Actually, there are two ways to jump on the breakout. Break and close. Immediately, you can risk it. Or you wait for further confirmation. The safest breakout is after two candles. Two candles towards a direction in a breakout. That's the safest breakout. However, another unsafe but quite okay breakout is when it breaks out and you jump in immediately. Like in this case now, it's running away to break out already. It's already running to break out. Break and close above. Are you seeing what's happening now? Let's just watch it. After this 17 seconds, the market wants to close now. We'll now see what I want to say. I want to say something, but let's watch it first. I want to see what happened. It doesn't give us any wick above. Safest breakout is after the second candle. Yes. So now this first one broke out of the body. It didn't break out of the wick. Follow me. If the second candle now comes and breaks out of the wick, you can jump in. Just look for a place to jump in and continue the buy. Remember, I said we are buying up to that trend line we have. This major trend line we have on our daily time frame. So this is the trend line here. See the trend line, daily time frame. First touch, second touch, this is the third touch coming for now. That's what you are buying up to. So after the breakout, where's 5 minutes time frame? After the breakout, right? After the breakout, break and close properly above this zone. Pick your entry, jump in on the buy. All right? That's the second way to jump in on this trade. The safest breakout is after the second candle that moves towards the direction of the breakout. That's the safest. However, if you're willing to risk, you can risk it just after the breakout. Some of us already know that it's a breakout. We want to jump in here. What if it gets here and reverse and start coming down? You can't beat it because it's consolidating. I told you how to trade consolidating markets. Either you sell at peak or buy at bottom. Don't buy at peak until a breakout. Never buy at peak until a breakout in a consolidating market. However, you can sell at peak. It's okay to. Trust me, you can sell at peak. It's okay to sell at peak in a consolidating market. But right now it's consolidating. We are suspecting that it will break out. However, we don't know. We honestly don't know. All we can do is to observe the movements of the market, wait for the proper breakout. Second, this present candle that is going now, wait for it to break out of the week. Then you can either jump in at that point or jumping upon the retracement, whichever one is okay, to ride it all the way up. That means the trend line will come and touch it later, not now. And it's okay, but never force your trade. Don't force your trade. Don't force your trade. So that's the second trade idea officially. No, even third, because the second is potentially here, the buy. Third is potentially the sell. First is potentially this buy up to this trend line. Second is potentially this sell. If you are counting the buy, how many pips are we looking at? We are looking at approximately about 190 plus pips. Let's say almost 200 pips for the buy if it happens. So we are waiting for the big sell. So that's the second trade idea. Sorry, that's the third trade idea. You see what I said? If it doesn't break out well, it can decide to sell from here. It's okay. And it will sell up to this lower point here we are wanting to buy from. Then this will now be the best of the best buy. If it doesn't do that, no problem. Wait for a breakout. Don't rush your market. Don't rush it. Calm down. So that's the third trade idea. What is time now? We don't have time. So let's quickly jump on two more and we are out. Let's see this AG. So someone should type a pair in the market. Let's look at. Whatever happens after this breakout of this zone, we'll see a buy. Trust me. Whatever happens, if it breaks above this place with a body, we'll see a buy. If it doesn't break above it with a body, we'll see a sell. But whatever happens here, it won't consolidate for a long time. If you break above with a body, it will buy crazy buy. And that buy will hunt this stop loss. There are stop losses here. Many others here. Market to clear it. And that's about many pips. This is on AG. That's about 250 plus pips, almost 300. No, 256, 254 rather. Let's go down. Let me see what's on the chat first. Please, can you write it out? I'm sorry. I really can't. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. But I believe we understood. I believe you understood the analysis. I'm so sorry. I can send you. Okay, let me send the charts on the group so that you just copy and paste on your own charts. GBPUSD on 5 minutes time frame. So you see what's happening right now? This place is a strong zone on the higher time frame, but we ignore it because of this daily trend line. So our buy, what we're expecting is come down here, then we'll buy you up here on GBPUSD. And trust me, this one will play out. I'm assuring you on that. It will play out clean. Don't be afraid. Take the trade with your full chest. Just always be careful because the market is not for your father. He doesn't know you. He doesn't know your surname. You understand? Let me send to the Telegram group. So this is for GBPUSD buy. Let me look at possible entry zone. Let's refine our entry. Entry within 1.1 1.117. Okay, hold on. Entry within 1.11712 and 1. So that's about 10 pips entry. Entry is anywhere within 10 pips. Pick your struggle. You will not struggle in Jesus' name. Pick your best bet and jump in on the trade. So anywhere between 1.11, 1.117 0.04 to 1.11602. Entry zone. Entry zone. Pending order, you can use a pending order, but I would prefer you use market execution. So those of you that say you didn't understand, if you don't understand now, talk to me. SL 30 pips. SL 30 pips. Anywhere you enter, use 30 pips. Take profits. TP is TP is about 270 pips. 270 pips. So you're looking at TP on 1.14. 1.14. Sorry, please hold on a second. All right, sorry about that. Our TP is about 270 pips. So calculate 270 to your entry. TP 270 pips. That's around 1.1. 200 pips will be 1.137. 250 pips will be 1.142. 270 pips will be 1.14. 1.14. 1.144 now. Yes, 1.144. So let's just say about 1.143. That's the trend line. You can even enter 1.14250. We're out. 1.14250. 1.14250. 1.14250, Abi. So let's calculate how many pips. 704 to 250. How many pips is that? Hold on. The reason I like to list out the pips so you know your risk and reward. Then you tell me if it is reasonable for you to jump on it or not. So if you enter here, our TP is here. So that's about 1.14250. That's about 260 pips. 260 plus pips. Okay, if you had entered the lowest point, that would be 270 plus pips. So I think that's okay. So you can take profit at that place. Anyway, that suits you. Are we together? If you understand what I said so far, please talk to me. Talk to me. I'm seeing that people are just God. People should focus now. People should focus. People are looking at your trade. Why are you attached to that trade? Why people attached to that trade? So this is I think this is all for today because I'm quite exhausted already. I know we're supposed to use how many minutes we agreed to use. We agreed to use 50 minutes for 5 trades. So that's GBPUSD buy. SL 30 pips, TP. If you don't understand how to calculate SL and TP, thanks, understand now. What's SL? What is the stop loss? 30 pips, calculate it. I don't want to be telling you so that you'll be able to do it by yourself. So if you don't know how to calculate it, go on YouTube, type how to calculate stop loss, David Acham. I've explained it before. So I learned about wicks today, and we'll look more on your candlestick videos. Okay, God bless you. I don't want to be telling you that this is TP, this is SL, so that you'll be able to do it by yourself. If you're able to do it by yourself, then yeah, it's easier. It's easier for you to make a decision. Let me see the trade that people are shouting for. EJ. Euro JPY. This is the trade now. Okay. What I would advise you to do, if you have not gotten it yet, enter. Or you can either enter now, which is okay, or like you can either enter at this. So there are even 3 places to enter. Wait for these weeks to be tapped, because this week came to tap all these weeks. You can wait for this one now to be tapped, or you wait for it to come and break out, then you jump in. Don't enter in the middle here unless you just feel like, which is okay. If you feel like entering here, it's okay. Trust me. But it's a good trade. I think I should even enter the trade. Yes, it's okay. I've not entered, so I think I should enter. Or if I enter, no, not even if I will enter this trade, but we'll either wait for it to come to this weak zone or breakout. That's what I will do. You can either do any of them. It's perfect. So that's all about GU analysis. AG income. You have seen AG now. What are we expecting on AG again? Someone should tell me. Or have you done AG? We did it now. Abi? Okay, yes, this is what we did. I said break above, we'll buy, or get here, fail to break above, give 2 weak rejections on 15 minutes time frame. Once we see 2 weak rejections, we start selling. Once we see two weak rejections on 15 minutes time frame, we'll start selling, and our TP will be here. 2 weak rejections on proper breakout, second candle, we are jumping in. So that's AJ1, GBPUSD 2, the buy and the sell. Euro JPY, I didn't analyze it, but at least we looked at it together again. So that's 4 rather. Because GBPUSD is 2, buy and sell. AJ1, that's 3. EJ1, that's 4. I think that's pretty much it. So if you want to understand what I was talking about, weeks, how to trade weeks, I think we'll teach it tomorrow. Can I send the AJ charts? So this is it. I will not send it. What I want you to do is go. That's your assignment. Go and on the 1 hour time frame, draw out the just go to your 1 hour time frame, draw out the common resistance level. You see a resistance level here. Draw out your common resistance and wait for it, basically. But wait for it on your 15 minutes time frame. It's pumping there already, so it's a few pips away. How many pips? I don't want to keep showing you so that you know you'll be able to learn. It's less than 20 pips away. So wait for it there, then jump in. If you understand all I taught today, let's take GBPUSD on main account as a pending order. All right, boss. No problem. So GBPUSD main account pending order. No problem, sir. If you understand what confirm AUD is a sell, I've told you how to confirm now. Oh, brother. So how to confirm is on 15 minutes time frame, wait for weak rejections at least twice, then jump in. GU is still going to buy further, so don't be afraid. We have analyzed this since last week. It's not like we are just saying it. We already did it since last week. So why are you afraid? And now it's consolidating, ready to continue for the heavy buy. Maybe by 3 p.m. Maybe the 3 p.m. trade, the 3 p.m. News will pump the market, most likely, I believe. Hold on a second. I believe the 3 p.m. news would pump the market. Where's my phone? Sorry, please hold on a second. Though. If you understand what I taught so far, drop 777. If you don't understand, drop 555. And alongside your 555, write what you don't understand. If you just write 555, I'm sorry to say I might ignore you. Write 555. If you don't understand, write 555 and write what you understand, what you don't understand. You don't know how to calculate SL. God. Okay. So I'll be patient. Okay. Sorry, sir. Please just a second. I'm sorry, sir. So you don't understand though. So what you do, you don't know how to calculate SL. It's very simple. I'm sorry. Just come here. All right. I've taught many times how to calculate SL. So you can just take advantage of it. I don't know if there's already an official video, but pending that time, pending when an official video will be made, you can implement this. Then when an official video is made, you now make use of the official video. How to calculate SL. Where's the video again? How to calculate lot size and stop loss. 4 months ago, I did the video, how to calculate lot size and stop loss. So come here, let me copy the link. So I'll share this link, don't worry, after now. So if you don't understand, quickly before I hand over to the boss, don't know how to calculate SL. I've taught it already. So just come and watch it. Boss, I noticed something. NZD USD and NZD USD have the same chart. Yes, now, so it's called correlation. GBP USD and Euro USD positively correlated. Hello, sir. So what I was saying is GU and EU are positively correlated. AU and NU are positively correlated. There are some that are negatively correlated. It's called inverse correlation. When one is going up, automatically the second one will be going down. UJ and UJ and I know NZD chef and NZ EJ USD chef and NZD chef. Yes, USD chef and NZD chef. Then US oil and USD card are positively correlated. USD card and US oil are positively correlated. So I'll teach that another day, not today, another day. But tomorrow we'll teach on identifying these zones that we talked about. those wiki zones and taking advantage of them. That's what we'll do tomorrow. So please, someone should remind me. I believe God will remind me also, but someone else can help remind me tomorrow. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please ask. But I'll share this video to the group. Take care.
All right, thank you very much. Everyone put in some loves on the chat. Say thank you. Thank you for the time. That's about over an hour session spent with you guys right now. And what I just want to say, I didn't actually want to take the session from you. I just wanted to, you can't have a rich session. That's a very powerful trait that we just called GBP is in a strength today. All right, just any bit of retest or drawdown, it will definitely take a daily, it's moving, weekly, it's moving up. So the GBP is in the right direction. So if it comes back to that area, that's why I said, let's make this trade a pending order so that everybody gets in, all right, around the area. So you could take 170, all right, put a buy limit on 170, put a stop loss of 30 pips, 30 pips. So 30 pips from 170, 1170 is